rotten thing we're making out of sheets.
Let's see what's in here.
Must be light bulbs.
Oh, thanks for saving the packing slip.
Of course. I'm no rookie. I can smell the fiberglass already. The resin.
You can
the
smell it?
smashed resin. Ooh, ooh.
Let's see.
They're definitely rolled in a ball.
Let's see the packaging job.
Stickers. It says stickers. There's additional wrapping. These seem very small.
So, and this is supposedly enough for 2 cars, 4 fenders. I'm not sure if I'm buying it. Is this the sticker?
So, they're really nice, aren't they? Oh no, these are the stickers. Stands.
It's got a little baby bump. This must be where all the width is at.
Yeah. All out front. Seem to have, protected the corners.
Oh. From what I see, I like what I see.
What the fuck did you order? Surfboards? More stickers. They're raining down in there.
These are mine. These are all mine.
Where did the, hold this for a moment. I want to start cutting her loose.
Kind of heavy.
Yeah. No weight savings here. I'm completely out of here. Oh, more tape. Foiled again.
More tape, more stickers. What do you think?
So they
Definitely.
they at least filled most of the imperfections up. This one's pretty solid. That one has a little nick. They filled in a few places, but
This one must be for your car.
right.
It says on this return address, I see.
That's like Robbie Works and stuff. They make like a lot of videos up in Riga.
Yeah, it says Riga, Latvia.
Nice. Three more to go. Yes. They don't give you the piece that goes in there, I guess. They said, fuck them.
Which piece?
Like Origin and stuff, like when they put like a little spacer panel for the gas door.
I see. Do you want me to hold something?
Here, try to unwrap the saran wrap.
I'm over here doing nothing.
I had it going. I don't know what happened. Seemed to have gotten caught. Got that key, boy? The disrespect you show this car.
What do you mean? It's pretty clean.
Disrespected. One's a fuel pump.
The right one?
Huh?
The one on the right? yeah.
Did he?
Yeah.
You want to pull it or you want to pull it?
You can pull it.
Man, pressure's on.
Don't blow it.